In this video, we're going to discuss about what is spyware. Spyware is a malicious software. It secretly gathers information and sensitive data by a person or an organization without their knowledge and consent. It's designed to monitor and collect the data from various devices like computer and smartphone, and these data are transmitted to the third parties. In the beginning, this spyware will enter through a device through various means like infected mail attachments or infected downloads or many ways. Once installed, it runs silently in the background and it will monitor your works in your devices. It records your data and keystrokes and other sensitive information. And then they will use this against you. They can steal your data or they can steal your property, they can steal your IP and so on. This spyware poses a significant threat to personal life and data security. It can invade one's private life, compromise the sensitive information, it leads to a reputational damage. Organizations can also suffer severe consequences such as intellectual property theft, financial losses, and damage to their brand reputation. That's all for today's video. See you tomorrow.